Hello friends! Today's story time is called Insect Quest Hide and Seek. Insects have interesting ways of hiding from danger. Their bodies, colors, and markings help them camouflage or blend into their surroundings to hide in plain sight. So do you guys know what this word camouflage means? Camouflage. Yes, it means to blend in so you can't see it. And there's many different animals that have camouflage. And we're going to talk about some insects that camouflage. Do you think you can find the insects that are hiding? Join these children in their insect quest and find out. Hide and seek. Are you ready? There's something different about that leaf. Do you see it too? Take a look at the leaf. What do you see? Yes, there is a moth or butterfly there. I believe that's a moth. Look, it's a Luna moth. Luna moths are some of the largest moths in North America. Adults are over 4 inches wide. Because they are nocturnal, which means they are active at night, Luna moths are sometimes called moon moths. The word Luna means moon in Spanish. The wings are green to help the moth hide in the leaves of the trees. Interesting fact, Luna moths have eye spots on their wings to confuse predators. So you see these eye spots here? So they look like eyes, and it's hoping to scare off any predator. A predator is something that eats another animal, so it's trying to scare it off. Just like butterflies, Luna moths start out as caterpillars. There you go. There's a big, juicy green caterpillar. That's a funny looking branch on that tree. Take a closer look. What do you see? Take a look. Do you see it? I spy a walking stick. A walking stick is a type of insect whose color and body shape make it look like a stick on a tree. You might spy young walking sticks during the day when they are active, but adult walking sticks are nocturnal. Their eyes are sensitive to sunlight. So if you see one during the day, it's probably a baby. And if you see one at nighttime, it's an adult. The walking stick is one of the world's largest insects. It's pretty big there. It's about 6 inches long there. A walking stick's body is hard and bumpy, just like the branch of a twig. Yeah, so if you take a branch from a tree and compare it to the walking stick's body, it's going to be hard, just like that branch. Very cool. Is there something crawling on top of the yellow flower? It's hard to see. What could it be? Check it out. What do you see? It's a honeybee. In a honeybee colony, there are many different jobs. The queen bee lays eggs, nurse bees feed the bee larvae, baby bees that look like worms, worker bees build the honeycomb, and drones fertilize the eggs. They all work together to help the colony grow. Do you remember another insect that lives in a colony? Yes, it was the ant that we talked about. Very good. Interesting fact. Honeybees use honeycombs to lay their eggs. Did you know bees are responsible for pollinating flowers and plants? Yes. So, in order to have a fruit or vegetable, a bee has to pollinate the flower for the plant to grow. So, it is so important that we do not kill bees. If you leave them alone, they will not hurt you. So, the bees help our food to grow, our fruits and our vegetables. Okay? They pollinate that little flower, which causes the fruit or vegetable to grow. So if you kill all the bees, then we don't have any fruits or vegetables. Okay, so just remember that. All right, what's that resting over there on those leaves? Do you see something over there? I see eyes and legs. What could it be? Do you have any guesses? Now I see it's a grasshopper. Grasshoppers love to eat plants, which means they can sometimes be pests in farms and gardens. When grasshoppers join together, they can eat an entire field of plants, ruining the hard work of farmers and gardeners. A grasshopper's green color helps it hide among the leaves and grass. So again, like the Luna moth, it's green to hide, to blend in with the leaves and the grass. Interesting fact, grasshoppers are good jumpers. So good, in fact, that they can jump up to 20 times their own body length. Imagine if you could jump that far, 20 times. So if a grasshopper's like this, then you count that out 20 times. That's how far a grasshopper could jump, possibly. That's pretty far. Could you imagine if you could jump your body length? Have your parents measure you out 20 times and see how far that is. Wouldn't that be amazing if you could jump that far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play hide and seek with a butterfly. Can you see it? Do you see the butterfly? There it is. It's a leafwing butterfly. Leafwing butterflies are masters of disguise. When they fly, you can easily see their bright red and orange colors, but when they rest, their camouflage makes them blend right in with fallen leaves. So it kind of looks like the leaves in the fall. Leafwing butterflies are difficult to spot because they typically live on trees, on branches, or even on the ground. It's easy to see how the leafwing butterfly is so good at hiding. Look at the similarities between this one and an autumn or fall leaf. Right here. See? Can you tell which one is the butterfly and which one is the leaf? Yeah, this is the butterfly because you can see its little body. But this is a leaf. Look how close they look like each other. It'd be easy to make a mistake if you were a predator. Take a closer look. There in the grass, something silent and still. What do you see? I see a praying mantis. Praying mantises' colors and bodies help them blend into green leaves. They can turn their heads almost all the way around to see behind them. This helps praying mantises look around to find something tasty to eat. How far can you turn your head? Not very far, right? Interesting fact. 2 Chinese martial arts have movements and strategies based on these praying mantises. Interesting. When praying mantises feel threatened by a predator, that means they feel like they're about to be attacked or they're about to be eaten, They stand up and spread their forelegs to appear bigger. So they get big and tall when they stand up. So a lot of times if you see one resting and you get close to it, you might see it stand up because it's trying to make itself look bigger. Look at the beautiful flowers, but is there something more? Do you see it too? It looks like a ladybug. Not all ladybugs are red. Many are yellow or orange. These bright colors help them blend into flowers, but their colors and black spots also help to protect them by sending a message to predators. Stay away, I'm dangerous and don't taste good. Interesting fact. When a ladybug flies, its wings beat 85 times every second. So if you think about it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you count like that, every time you say a number, it beats its wings 85 times. That is a lot of flapping. Ladybugs are most active when their body temperature is 75 degrees or warmer. That's cool. Today we found insects that use camouflage to hide from predators. Can you remember their names? Do you remember this one? Number 1 was the Luna moth. Very good. Number 2, we just talked about the ladybug. Very good. Number 3, do you remember what this was called? The red-wing leaf bug. Number 4, the praying mantis. Very good. Number 5 hops as far as its 20 times its body length. The grasshopper. Very good. Number 6 goes buzz, 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 buzz and pollinates our flowers for our fruits and vegetables. Yes, it's the bee. And number 7 is the walking stick. Very, very good. And here are the camouflage or the glossary words. We talked about camouflage, predator, eye spots, nocturnal, larva, colony, pollinating, and pests. Well, that is it for our story time today. You just read Insect Quest. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now go see if you can find some of these insects. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.